Okay, this is part 2 because I ran out of time, unbelievably. So this part 2 is just showing you how to open your index.html file. So you've got Google Chrome opened. Get rid of this box. And you need to make sure you've got a new tab. When you've got a new tab, you're going to do Control and O, and this will open your Google Drive. And in your Google Drive, you are going to find the folder that you have saved your work in. Mine should come up under T, tutorial Caret. Okay, and then whatever's inside, which in my case is index.html and should be the same for you, double click it and voila, you have a document that opens and it's working on your Google Chrome page. Now, you need to be able to get back into your Caret. So how we do that is go back to Caret, and hopefully the very last thing that you opened, it will reopen for you and you can make any changes in there. So just make sure that once you've made changes, you do hit File and just because you've already saved it once, just hit Save File and that should put it back where it was. And you can close that. And then again, you can just open it using your Chrome, making sure that you're in a new tab, Control and O. It's going to bring up my document for me. I'm just going to double click on that and there you go. So that's that bit done. Okay. Now, you need to make sure that you complete the tasks in lesson 1 that are in the classroom. You also need to make sure that in your file, so the folder where you're saving your index.html, you also put in there a small photo of something that relates to your topic and also a little piece of music. And that's all you need to do for next week. Just make sure you've got those saved and ready to go because we're going to add some images and other things to our website. Okay, so part 1 and part 2, and I will put these up into the classroom. Any questions? Hangout, send me a message, email, send me a message. And other than that, I will speak to you all next week.